Okay, so we're at Honolulu Airport, waiting for our next flight going to Maui, and so Shadow dipped out to go to use the bathroom, but there's a bird in here. Look at him, he's so cute. What is this? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna zoom in, you guys. Look at that bird. Oh, here he comes. That's too funny. So cute. Well, here's a little view. We're waiting for the next airline to Maui. So here's the gate area. The lovely worker. There's the bird again. It's funny. And here we go. And there's Shadow. Finally. There's a bird in here.
Cool.
Look.
Oh my god.
Isn't that funny?
Because it's all open.
Yeah. It is all open.
So it's only 101 miles from here to Hog Airport.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That's cool.
They just let them free flow in here?
Yeah, she said they come in all the time.
Really? They
Yeah.
just hang out?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I know, he's so
They
cute.
just hang out.
He's just pegging at the floor.
It's the only place
Eating people's crumbs,
in
probably
the
that's
US
been
where
dropped.
you see that.
Yeah. Let's go look at the over
Look at that
here.
map over there on the wall.
There's a map on the wall. Shadow wants us to check out, so we'll check that out real quick. Oh, it's by the bathroom, so here.
Are reminded that all carry-on articles may be subject to search. Do not accept items from unknown persons or carry such items on board the aircraft. Please maintain immediate control of your belongings and do not leave luggage or hand carry items unattended at any time. Mahalo for your cooperation.
The airport. I'm gonna walk over here to the window area and then like give you a view of where our airplane's gonna come in at our gate 52 here at Honolulu Airport. So we'll go check this out. Oh, little guy's working. So that's where our plane will come in at and attach right here. Welcome to Hawaiian Airlines. Okay. Alright, so I need to go get some water and probably some snacks. So subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, hit like, and we will talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell. Goodbye.